Welcome to a Disney Point of View ride experience from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we head to Cars Land at Disney California Adventure Park for Mater's Junkyard Jamboree, where we'll ride along aboard a tractor during a toe tap and hoedown hosted by Mater from the Disney and Pixar film Cars. While the ride is suitable for guests of all ages, riders must be at least 32 inches or 81 centimeters tall. Grab your partner. Mater's rounded up a herd of lively tractors for some old-fashioned square dancing out in his junkyard, and you're invited to join the party. Haul yourself into a tractor trailer and hold on tight as it whips and whirls in figure-8 moves around the dance floor. Mater croons the tunes that keep this shindig swinging till you're all tired out. You're guaranteed to have a wheel fun time. The ride opened as part of Disney California Adventure's multi-billion-dollar expansion on June 15, 2012, when Cars Land opened at the theme park in California. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.